Okay. Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And we have an 81 Kawasaki KZ750 LTD. I think they call it a KZ750H, but I'm not sure. It's got 11,000 miles. The motor turns, but the starter clutch is bad, and we can't get it to catch long enough to start. We have the carburetors apart. We tried to use a set of test carburetors for it, but we just couldn't get the starter clutch to work. So not sure if the motor's any good or not, but it does turn over nice. And it looks like the bike's never been in an accident. We're going to sell the parts off this motorcycle. So if there's of any interest, let us know. Lots of good parts. We already took the point cover off, but basically it's all there except for that. Okay, well, thanks for looking.